Hello, did you know that 1.3 billion people in the world have a disability? That's 1 in 6. So the chances of you meeting somebody with a disability in your life is very high. So that's why it's important to learn inclusive language so you don't make somebody feel upset or excluded.
English lessons.
So today I'm going to go through 4 language points to help you talk about people with disabilities. Let's start. Number 1, it's important to put the person first and the disability second. So we wouldn't say a disabled person because it sounds like the person is defined by their disability. Instead, we would say a person with a disability because we're putting the person first. Number 2, don't use the words mad or crazy when talking about people with mental health problems. Instead, use the phrases a person with a mental health condition or a person with learning difficulties. Number 3, learn the word impairment. So instead of saying a blind person, you can say a person with a visual impairment. Instead of saying a deaf person, you can say a person with a hearing impairment. Number 4, don't use the phrase suffers from because this has the negative connotation that the person is in a hopeless situation. Instead, it's better to use the word has. So we wouldn't say a person that suffers from cerebral palsy. Instead, we would say a person that has cerebral palsy. Following on from this, when talking about a person in a wheelchair, we wouldn't say a wheelchair-bound person. Instead, we would say a wheelchair user. So let's review. Remember, put the person first and the disability second. Don't use the words mad or crazy. Learn the word impairment. Don't use suffers from. Let's finish with a quiz. Which of these phrases is acceptable? Number 1, a handicapped person. Number 2, a weak person. Number 3, a person with a disability. And the correct answer is a person with a disability, because we put the person first and the disability second. Also, handicapped and weak are not acceptable words to use when talking about people with disabilities. Having said all this, you shouldn't get stressed out or worried when using these phrases. It's just important to make the effort. Bye.